Welcome to Naomi's Filipino kitchen. Today's recipe is garlic prawns cooked in 7-Up. Wait until the end of this video for a sneaky peek of some of my other recipes. Here are the ingredients of today's dish: prawns, parsley, 7-Up, salt, ground black pepper, cooking oil, and garlic. Now let's start cooking by preparing the prawns. After 4 minutes, give it a stir, and then season with ground black pepper, and then give it a stir, guys, and leave it for another minute to finish it off the cooking. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today, and if you like it, then like it. And if you love it, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Hi guys, if you fancy a giggle and you want to see me jumping into a freezing cold swimming pool, click here. And if you want to see a preview of my cooking, click here. Thanks for watching. See you soon.